Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give a quick trade recap of one of the trades I took today, especially on NQ 100 points. So basically guys, I was looking this level here, 750. This was one of the trades I took. Why that level? That level is based on a weekly hot box. If we go to the weekly time frame, I will show you what I saw on here. So I was looking this candle here, this big green one here from November 24. For me, this is a hot box. Why? Look at all this range. This candle hasn't been mitigated complete. We still have this space to be killed at some point. So for me, this is a box because this candle came half, this candle came half. All these candles came to the half of this one, but never killed the candle completely. So for me, this is a valid range to continue playing. So I mark the top, I mark the bottom. So this is the box for me. If we go to the 1 minute, this is where I took the trade. As you can see, this is the level I mentioned, the top of that box, 750. NQ was coming down. I will show you later the other box why we were coming down. I saw NQ breaking the bottom of a weekly daily box, which is this white line. They broke it and they were heading to the top of the weekly hot box. They bounced, and that moment I told the team, okay guys, if we retest the bottom of the daily box, which is this white line, I will be probably taking the shorts. They reject earlier here, entered the box, came out from the weekly, and I was looking this order block here. They reject the order block. I didn't take the position on that moment. I was expecting the retest of this white line. Didn't happen. So they came inside the weekly hot box, as you can see, touching 750, rejecting it. Look the price action. They came with this candle and they were touching, rejecting, touching, rejecting, touching, This is where I took the trade. That was my confidence to enter the trade. So my position was at 732. This is when I entered the position. I also notified the team about my entry. And I was aiming to the top of this daily hot box here. I was aiming, if you see on the left here, I was aiming to the top of this one, which is what 652. So I took the trade, 732. I was trimming all the way, aiming to the top of this one, 732. 653, I'm sorry. They touched 653 and I told the team, okay guys, I'm gonna be expecting the break to come inside the box. They came with strength with this candle and they touched my weekly my mega trade level, which is 632. On that moment I closed my trade, 100 points trade. So that was basically my second mega trade for the day, from 732, rejecting the top of the weekly box, aiming to the top of the daily hot box there. Broke it, came inside the box, touched my mega trade level, 632, and the trade was closed. They continue going down, but I closed my trade at 100 points. The other box I want to show you guys is this one. That was the other trade in the morning. I notified the team. Jadon and Grizzly called the trade, but I told the team my plans and I took it on silence. But I told the team, this is when the market opened. We were inside this 4-hour hot box. Let me show you the hot box and why. To make that box, I used this candle here, the one from yesterday, 2 p.m. 4-hour time frame. I picked this box because look at the volume. And also, as you can see, this candle was not mitigate complete on that time. They were just half. I was still pending this part. That's why I picked that box completely. So I marked like a normal, the top from bottom. The top was this level, 287. The bottom was this level, 993. When we were close to the opening, I told the team, okay, guys, look at where we are right now. We are bouncing on the middle of that box, which is an important point. So I told the team, I'm looking going down. I think they're gonna go to mitigate all the box. This is what they did. They reject the middle, came down. I didn't take that position yet, just to be safe. I was expecting the break of this one, of the bottom of the 4-hour hot box. Once they broke it, I told the team, okay, guys, I'm gonna be taking short position if they go up and retest the bottom, which is 993. They came up. Jadon, Grizzly took the position. They called the trade, but I already took the trade there based on my plan. And that trade was also beautiful. As you can see, they reject and came down, guys. Another 100 points on that one. But basically, those were my mega trades of today, based on this 4-hour hot box. The bottom, as you can see, perfect rejection there. It worked. And the other trade was the retest of the top weekly hot box here. Touch down. Thank you very much. Beautiful trade, guys. See you tomorrow inside Team Bull. Bye bye.